Good morning.
Hi,
Welcome to St Giles.
Just an hour away from London by train and half an hour from London Gatwick Airport, Brighton is a young and exciting cosmopolitan city on the south coast of England. With two large universities, it's an excellent place to study and attracts a large number of British and overseas students.
It's very easy to get around Brighton because it's a small city. The transportation here is very good and it's cheap. You can use the bus and you can walk as well.
St Giles Brighton is a large, busy international school with around 400 students at any one time from all around the world. We are located in the very heart of the city, beside Brighton's most famous building, the Royal Pavilion. Our students benefit from the school's close proximity to the beach, the pier, museums, art galleries, theatres, cinemas, the Pretty Lane shopping area, and Brighton's overwhelming variety of clubs, pubs and restaurants. Our school is located in a beautiful and historic Regency-style building.
You know, the English buildings used to be very beautiful and it's still beautiful. And whenever you get in, you'll be surprised by how it's modern, actually.
The school has a wide range of resources for our students to use outside of class. These include 32 classrooms, bookshop, private study centre, language laboratory, computer centre, interactive whiteboard, film projectors and DVD players, free internet cafe, wireless internet access throughout the school, and the school cafeteria.
The canteen is very good. There are affordable meals prepared by our own Italian chef, Piero.
Italian tortilla. No, only the Spanish can do a tortilla. We do with the pasta, of course.
St Giles Brighton has a dedicated Platinum Centre for executive and professional clients. Here we offer tailor-made courses based on your needs, whether it be a specific area of business English or a more general requirement. Classes are either one-to-one or in groups of a maximum of 5 people. Platinum courses are offered at all levels, from beginner to advanced. The minimum age is 21, but the average is 30 to 50. St Giles Brighton also has a teacher training centre, which offers a variety of courses for new and practising teachers of English. We offer a wide range of accommodation options close to the school, including carefully selected homestays, a summer residence, and a selection of hotels and guest houses to suit any budget. All options have been carefully selected by our accommodation and welfare officer, who will be pleased to help you with this aspect of your stay.
I'm staying in a homestay accommodation, which is with a family, mother and a father and a small kid. And they are treating me as one of the member of family. And it's been a very, very good experience for me.
They try to choose a very good family with children, because sometimes for me it's the most difficult person to understand with the children, and it's really nice.
As with all St Giles colleges, every week we offer a range of social activities and excursions for you to enjoy with your new friends from around the world.
Every day we go to a new place with different international students, so we can practice our English more and more.
The social program of St Giles, in my opinion, is a very good social program. It's possible if you want to do different things every day. For example, if you like to go to drink something with your friends, in a pub, it's possible. Or if you like to practice some sport, for example, volleyball sport or tennis, you can. And sometimes, for you, it's interesting the art or the exhibition or the museums. It's possible to go to visit the museums here in Brighton and in Hove. And it's really good. And during the weekend, if you like, you have to travel here in England or in Europe.
St Giles Brighton is a great place to work. I've been here over 15 years. I enjoy what I do very much. We have some fantastic colleagues here, and most importantly, the students we deal with are wonderful.